Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and well, we have Microsoft that has officially woken up and today released a blog post mentioning that they are aware of audio issues in Windows 10 and 11 on the January Patch Tuesday updates, and that they are right now working on a patch. They have yet to understand why it's happening. So no word yet as to when a fix is going to happen. Of course, when you have that issue, it also shows that your devices and the device manager don't start up right. Microsoft, of course, says that the best thing to do is to plug audio devices that are plugged into a digital analog converter in a USB port directly. And of course, this is kind of a stupid recommendation because many times the reason you're using such a device is because whatever you have doesn't plug directly to your PC. So this, of course, affects a lot of people that could have audio consoles of all sorts and so on. So if you really need your devices, well, once again, the only way to do it is to remove the Patch Tuesday update for the month of January. And because we don't know when and how long it's going to take Microsoft to fix the issue of the audio. So this affects only people that have devices plugged into a digital analog converter on a USB port. And it does affect both Windows 10, Windows 11, 23, and 24H2. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.